In this video, we listed the 5 best long-range drones on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Potensic Mini Drone 3-Axis. The Potensic Mini Drone with a 3-axis gimbal offers a combination of advanced features tailored for aerial photography enthusiasts and drone hobbyists. Here's an overview of this model in the context of its specifications and usage. The 3-axis gimbal provides enhanced stability for the camera, ensuring smooth and clear footage even during flight maneuvers. This feature is crucial for capturing high-quality videos and images without the blur caused by drone movement. With a GPS range of up to 6 kilometers, this drone offers extended control distance, allowing users to explore and capture vast areas without losing signal. The GPS functionality also aids in precise positioning, return-to-home capabilities, and improved flight stability. Equipped with a 4K camera, the Potensic Mini Drone is designed for professional-grade photography and videography. Their high resolution ensures detailed and crisp images, making it suitable for both casual users and content creators. The inclusion of brushless motors provides several advantages, including longer lifespan, quieter operation, and more efficient power usage. These motors contribute to a smoother flight experience and improved performance. As an RC, radio-controlled, quadcopter, the drone is user-friendly and suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced pilots. Its intuitive controls make it easy to operate, while the advanced features cater to more demanding aerial photography needs. Number 2. M10 Ultra Drone. The M10 Ultra Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography and videography. It boasts several advanced features that make it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. The M10 Ultra Drone is equipped with a 4K camera, allowing for ultra-high-definition video recording and high-resolution still images. This feature is essential for capturing detailed and crisp footage. GPS functionality ensures accurate positioning and stability, making it easier to maintain a steady hover and return to the home point with precision. This is particularly useful for complex flight patterns and long-distance flights. The 3-axis EIS system helps to minimize camera shake and vibration, resulting in smoother and more stable video footage even in less than ideal flying conditions. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi, providing a faster and more reliable connection between the drone and the remote control. This leads to reduced latency and better live video transmission. With a remote control range of up to 5 kilometers, the M10 Ultra Drone offers extensive operational flexibility, allowing users to explore and capture footage over large areas. Number 3. S9000 Drone. The S9000 Drone is an advanced remote control drone that stands out for its impressive array of features and professional-grade capabilities. It's comparable to models like the M10 Ultra Mini in its compact design and high functionality. Key: high definition. Equipped with dual 4K cameras, the S9000 drone captures stunningly clear and detailed photos and videos. The cameras offer electronic speed control, ensuring smooth and stable footage even during rapid movements. HD video and VR compatibility. The high-definition video capabilities are enhanced by electronic speed control, providing a professional-grade recording experience. The drone's VR compatibility allows for immersive first-person view (FPV) experiences, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Gesture shooting and video. Their S9000 drone supports gesture shooting and video, allowing users to capture photos and videos by simply making specific hand gestures. This feature makes it user-friendly, especially for those who might not be familiar with traditional remote controls. Number 4. S7S Drone. The S7S Drone 4K Professional is an advanced quadcopter designed for both recreational and professional use. This drone is equipped with a range of features that make it stand out in the competitive drone market. Key highlights include: the drone boasts a high-resolution 4K camera, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage with exceptional clarity and detail. This is particularly useful for photographers, videographers, and content creators who demand high-quality visuals. The integrated 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth and steady shots even during dynamic flight maneuvers. This feature is crucial for producing professional-grade videos without the jittery effects of camera shake. The inclusion of GPS technology enhances navigation and positioning accuracy, enabling features such as automated return to home and precise waypoint navigation. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity ensures fast and reliable transmission of live video feeds to the pilot's device, reducing latency and enhancing the FPV, first-person view, experience. The drone features a dual-camera setup, providing versatility in capturing different perspectives. This can be particularly beneficial for tasks requiring comprehensive coverage, such as inspections or surveys. With a flight time of up to 28 minutes per charge, the S7S Drone offers extended operational periods, allowing users to accomplish more in a single flight. This is a significant advantage for professional applications where prolonged aerial monitoring is needed. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Kit drone is a comprehensive package designed for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. This kit includes the DJI Mini 3 drone, which is notable for its advanced features and user-friendly design. Professional 4K HDR video. The drone is equipped with a high-quality camera capable of shooting stunning 4K HDR videos. This ensures that your aerial footage is sharp, vibrant, and rich in detail. 38 minutes. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 3 is its impressive flight time. With a maximum flight duration of 38 minutes, users can enjoy extended periods of uninterrupted flying, allowing for more comprehensive and enjoyable aerial exploration. 10 km transmission. The drone boasts a remarkable transmission range of up to 10 km. This long-distance capability ensures stable and clear communication between the drone and the controller, even at significant distances. The Fly More Combo Kit typically includes additional accessories such as extra batteries, propellers, a carrying case, and other essentials that enhance the flying experience and provide greater convenience and longevity to your drone adventures.